How to fix iPhone not connecting to Wi-Fi. In order for you to fix this issue, simply watch the video till the end. First thing first, what you need to do is move into the settings of a device. Inside settings, head over to Wi-Fi. Tap on the Wi-Fi that you want to connect. Here at the very top, you need to click on Forget this network. And then once again tap on Forget. Once done, enter the password again and try to reconnect it. It should fix the issue. If not, head over to General, scroll down and move into VPN and Device Management. Make sure you are unconnected to any of the VPN. After that, tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone and then click on Reset. Click on Reset Network Settings. Enter the passcode of a device and once again tap on Reset Network Settings. It will reset the network. The Wi-Fi will also be reset and it should also fix the issue that you have been facing on a device. If not, try restarting a device and you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.